Hey guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MMPH 002 MBA online course. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF in the handwritten form. If you are looking for the answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. If you have other queries, you can also contact there. Now, the MMPH 002, the course title is Human Resource Development, and the assignments brief is that suppose that this is that you can see the paragraph and the questions are given. So let's see the suppose that if you want these answers, so you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers uh, according to the chapter and according to the word limits. So thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, we are here for help you, and you can contact anytime.